Creating a work request using the Request Service Report problem. From the Fanshawe homepage, click on the Archibus link under the My Bookmarks. Once Archibus loads, click Request Service Report a Problem. On the work request, make sure to complete your requester information, your location. Only complete the related to field if it is to do with a project or an MOC. When selecting the problem type, make sure you select the problem type that most closely fits the problem that you're experiencing. If you're not sure of the problem type, click on View All Problem Types to get a description of the problem types available. Complete a description that as accurate as possible with as much information as you can. Please note the workflow and click Submit. Note your work order number and keep that with you. For any additional support, please email us at facilitiesinfo@fanshawec.ca.